Hello, greetings. This is Mr. Mohammed Rajab with you, and today we will be focusing on the grammar rule such and so. So, if you open up page 78 of Unit 9 of the Macmillan curriculum, that is the language book of Year 5, we will be having this grammar rule in front of us. First, we will be reading the whole thing, which is basically within the box, what's written here, examples and such. Then, we will be switching to the meaning behind both words and the formulas. We're gonna talk about the examples. I provided some examples here. So yes. So by the end of the lesson, if you have any questions, any inquiries in mind, make sure to jot down a comment down in the comment section below, and I will make sure whenever I have the time, I'll make sure to reply back and answer those questions. Okay, let's dive right in. First, we're gonna read. So, grammar. Holly and her dad have come home late at night. Before they go inside, they look up at the sky. It is such a beautiful night. So we have such, the word in red, usually means, in most cases, means very. Just for now, just put that in mind. It means very. It is such a beautiful night. Look at the stars. They are so pretty. So is also it also means very. So both words are synonyms, and again, synonyms are words that are identical in meaning or close in meaning, but they are written differently. I mean, they are separate words. Okay, let's continue. They make such wonderful shapes in the sky. There is a full moon. It is so bright that we can see everything in the garden. But it is such a cold night that I am shivering. Come on, let's go inside. So we have both words such and so. So when do we use such and when do we use so? But before that, we're gonna discuss the meanings behind these two words, and then we're gonna talk about the formulas and so on. So okay. So again, we have so and such. They both mean very. Usually they mean very. In most cases, that is. So that's it. So both words are synonyms, so they are close. Okay. So since they are close, when do we use such and when do we use so? We're gonna talk about this right now. So first formula, we have such plus adjective plus noun. So when do we use such? We will talk. Let's discuss This example first. It was such a beautiful night that we went for a walk. Now, if you noticed, we have such, right? And as we discussed previously, such means very. Now, beautiful. Can you tell what's the word beautiful? Beautiful is an adjective. It is a descriptive word. Well done. Good job. So after the adjective, what do we have here? Day. And day is a noun. Good job. You're doing very well. Okay, so we have adjective and we have noun. So when we have adjective plus noun, we usually use such. So for example, we can't say it was so a beautiful night. It was so a beautiful day. It doesn't make sense, right? So we're gonna use such. So it is such plus adjective plus noun, and that's when we use the word such. Okay, example number 2. That was such an interesting book to read. Here we use such. If we look after the word such, we have the word interesting. And interesting is a descriptive word, therefore it is called an adjective. Okay, followed by book, which is a noun. Good job. So we have adjective plus noun, therefore we use such. Well done. Okay, if we scroll down, what about so then? What about so? So means very, the same as such. Good job. But when do we use so? We will check it out now. We will check these examples first. So he was so tired that she or he fell asleep immediately. Okay, so we use such. We didn't use, we used so, we didn't use such. And so again means very. Now, after the word so, we have tired. And tired is an adjective. But this time, if you noticed, after the word tired, we don't have any nouns. Therefore, we're gonna go with so instead with such. I mean, would it sound appropriate if we said such? Look, he was such tired that he fell asleep immediately. No, it doesn't make sense, right? So, the word itself is nonsensical. Therefore, we're gonna go with so. So we have so, then we have adjective, which is tired, but we don't have the noun, so we're gonna go with so. Okay, here's another example. It is so cold outside that I need to wear a jacket. Now, after the word so, we have cold, and cold is an adjective. Good job. But after the adjective, do we have any nouns? No, we don't. Therefore, we will settle with the word so instead of such. So we're gonna say it is so cold because we only have an adjective after the word so. Well done. Okay, for our last example of the day, or for the day, we have three. The cake was so delicious that everyone wanted a second slice. Now, we have the cake was so. So means very. Both words so and such means very. So delicious. The cake was so delicious. Delicious is an adjective. Good job. But do we have any nouns after that? After this? No, we don't. So we only have delicious, which is an adjective. So we're gonna go with so, not such. Okay, lovely. Again, both words so and such they both mean very. Okay, good job. We have the formula such plus adjective plus noun, and that's when we use such. Example, it was such a beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective, and day is a noun, so we're gonna go with such instead of so. And on the other hand, we have so plus adjective. For example, he was so tired, and we only have an adjective after the word so we're gonna go with so instead of such. And that wraps it up. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for listening. So if you have any questions or inquiries, don't feel shy. Don't feel shy. You may drop it down in the comment section. As I said previously, I will try to find the time, or whenever I have the time, I will try to reply to your comments. Have a lovely day, and see you in the next video.